See, regarding our Honorable Education Minister, what the statement what he had given yesterday, I would like to bring this to clarification. See, as per yesterday's press meet done by our Honorable Education Minister, he stated that only 2,000 job will be given, and that also in a very phased manner. And we have also seen from the Finance Department, only they are approving only 2,000 posts. So, and this also, the way how it will be recruited, this will be done on open advertisement basis, or else any kind of recruitment rules that they will be giving it. So to everyone's clarification, especially to all the affected teachers, I would like to clarify all this thing, because see, the assurance what has given by our Honorable Education Minister yesterday, this is not this is totally not for us. This is not going to cover, or this is not going to solve the purpose of 10,300 test teachers. See, since March 2020, we are facing, we have been terminated from our job, and by now it is already running 6 to 7 months. Where are we living? Where are we living? It is very surprising. The government who had promised us a permanent solution, today you are not paying your attention and you are keeping silent. Where are we living? It's very shocking.
Today, we, on behalf of all the representatives of 10,323 teachers, solely with the aim for earning our job, restoring our job and livelihood, we have all assembled here, leaving all our family aside, with only one motive, that motive of restoring our old job, because there had been many a times there was a game played with us, where we felt like injustice was done on our part in one way or the other. There were many, I should consider it as a fake promises, because many a times we were given hope, we were given, assurance that the state government will be resolving our job in one way or the other. There was two terms of government, two parties of government who have really played a good game with us. Today, I would like to intimate, or I would like to inform everyone who are present here that this organization of 10,023 teachers is not illiterate. Illiterate means in Bengali we call murkha. Amra murkha noy. We are all literate. Literate. There are many people who are MA, double MA, triple MA, even PhD. I'm double MA. There are many
आज हम रास्ते पे आए और महाकरण अभियान हम चालू किया। फिर शिक्षा मंत्री से अभी डेपुटेशन में बात हुआ, उन्होंने हमारा जो डिमांड था उन्होंने उस डिमांड को सुना और बोला कि अगले 7 दिन में सीएम और डेप्यूटी सीएम से बात करके हमको बुलाएगा और हम अपनी बात रखेंगे।
So after a day-long protest by the 10,323 teachers, Finally, they met with Education Minister Ratan Lal Nath, who has assured that in next 7 days, the Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Dev will meet with the delegation of teachers, where a concrete solution will be taken out. They had a demand that all the teachers who lost their job will have to be given a job at a time, and the family members of the victims of Satish Jyotish will have to be given an employment opportunity. This is Chandan Pandey reporting from Agartala.
Don't forget to like, share and